Mbarara Sports Club niyo singira impaka za golfa bwa za club za Bugwizoba ubwanyuma yo kutunga ubonero rukagana na mushanju bwa net okusinga tore bire ya kabiri n'ubonero rushanju ya na mukaga kandi kabare kabe ya kashatu n'ubonero rushanju ya na bushatu. Okusharamo wasinga chizire bwanyuma yo gitobonero rw'abazani ku maboko banzo mu Rubber Club nuko Mbarara kushanga bire n'abazani binja babire bakozere kurungi nuko kusinga omusarikare mukuru Kano Samson Manda bire yebembire timu ya Kabare nuwabire ryo mugenyi mukuru kandi ogobwa rwebembeze bigambo by'umukeshongoro cya Lucky Dube cya Freedom Fighter araganisize kushagika entarante ento mu muzanogo.
I'm dedicating my next part of life to developing talents of Africa, especially those from home, Uganda. Because where I have been,
Ogwagarukire yaraganisa no kwija kutwara President Yoweri Museveni n'ubutumwa bwo kutungura umuzano go mucangeki na munonga Mbarara President Museveni yakwatira bazaneshaho ningasha umwetekedi.
The next time I meet him, that I came and played in a place where he and that club wishes him to come not as a caddy but as a president and visit them. Yes. And perhaps with his visit, you know, what might come with the visit of the head of state.
Abasingire bakwasibwe bakopo hamwe n'ebiconco bitari bumwe ahagati yo kujaguza. Impakeze ziteberwamo abashija abakaza hamwe n'abana bato zibire zo mu rwo kubanza kutebekanisibwa kandi ziri kurataho nzija kutebekanisibwa club ya Kirembe birabira na bishatu byo kwezi kwa gatanu. Abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.